This one assumption is quietly killing your financial success because you think saving money is protecting it. But inflation isn't just a number. It's theft in slow motion. It drains your wealth while you sleep. No crash, no alarm, just a steady loss of value. And the worst part? Most people don't even see it happening. They're saving, they're planning. But safe money in a high inflation world is just slow loss. The wealthy don't save. They shield. They know cash rots. So they use assets that grow with inflation. Not to get rich, but to not fall behind. Because when prices rise, standing still means sinking. If your plan relies on fixed returns, you're losing. Quietly, consistently. Inflation doesn't pause, and it doesn't care. That's why the rich use inflation-adjusted bonds, index-linked gilts in the UK, TIPS in the US. They rise as inflation rises. It's not an investment, it's financial armor. If your money's not protected, it's exposed. And exposure is expensive. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.